Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 7030061. This is your 5/16 by 3 inch long deck screw. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is part number 7030061. This is your 5/16 by 3 inch long deck screw. It has the star bit head on it, and let's just check it out real quick. So 5/16, 3 inches long. The threaded length is going to be 1 3/4, and then the rest of it's unthreaded. And this is a real common deck screw. We carry a couple different kinds. This is the bigger kind of the two. The other one we carry is only 2.5 inches long. So if you're looking for a more heavy duty, longer screw, then get these instead. Manufacturers use them, just about everybody uses them. So if you need any of these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.